The install is going to be different for me compared to a lot of you because I already have an aftermarket radio unit in, so all I have to do is pop this out. And of course unplug everything like the antennas and such, so that way it can be completely disconnected from the harness. And there are the air vents that you do need to unscrew and take out along with the emergency hazard button. So mine's gonna be a little bit simpler because of the fact that like I said, have an aftermarket radio already. So all I had to do was just pull it out. But now with installing it, you're gonna have to start with, well, at least I'm gonna start with putting this module. I don't know what this is called. So for lack of better words, I'm gonna just say like the CAN module, because I'm assuming this is like what gets everything to work, whatever. Pretty tight, has little things to connect it to. And then on the back side of this, just make sure you put it into correct orientation. But as you can see, it has where it goes, so that way you can clip onto it. So now next step is I'm gonna go ahead and connect everything else and just get this installed. Honestly, installing radios on the Honda Fit, it's honestly extremely easy and I'm super stoked, but let's get into it. So this is the harness that the kit comes with, and it's very cut and dry, very simple to install. It might look overwhelming at first because you're dealing with a bunch of wires, but as you install things, it just gets easier and easier. I also went ahead and put the hazard button on, double checking to make sure that it's actually sturdy. But just keep connecting things and it just becomes easier and easier as you go. And also you should always try to power it up first before you finalize the install, because I definitely did not make any mistakes at all. But yes, I found out that this needs to be connected to the back of the radio unit, and that's why I wasn't getting any power. So who would have thought, right? But let's go ahead and fix my mistake and we should be ready to rip. And I was immediately impressed with how clear the screen is and also how the touch was.